The ultimate guide to the dark web. Everything you need to know. In this video, we will explore the mysterious world of the dark web and understand everything you need to know about this hidden part of the internet. From its origins to its hidden marketplaces and illegal activities, we will cover it all. The internet as we know it only represents just 4% of the total internet. The remaining 96% is known as the dark web. So, what exactly is the dark web? Let's find out. The dark web is a part of the internet that is intentionally hidden and requires a special tool to access it. It's not indexed by popular search engines such as Google, Yahoo, and Bing. Instead, it operates on a network called Tor, the onion router, which is used to anonymize internet traffic and protect user privacy. This anonymity provided by Tor makes it an attractive location for unsavory activities such as illegal drug trades, weapons sales, and cybercrime. Origins of the dark web. The dark web was created in the 1990s by the United States government as a secure communication network for the military. Over time, this network developed into what we now know as the dark web, and its technology was subsequently turned over to the public. Hidden marketplaces on the dark web. One of the most significant aspects of the dark web is its hidden marketplaces for illegal goods and services. These marketplaces are only accessible with specific tools like Tor, and payment is primarily done with cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin. These marketplaces operate mainly on the dark web's anonymity and provide a platform for sellers of illegal goods like drugs, firearms, and stolen personal information. Cybercrime. The anonymity provided by the dark web makes it an ideal location for cybercriminals to conduct malicious activities like hacking, phishing, and spreading malware. Cybercriminals can sell their expertise and services on the dark web, helping other cybercriminals carry out sophisticated attacks that can cause immense damage to individuals, businesses, and governments. As you can see, the dark web provides a platform for illegal activities hidden away from the rest of the internet. It's important to note that not everything on the dark web is illegal, and there are legitimate uses for it like protecting journalistic sources and preserving freedom of expression. However, it's crucial to understand the risks associated with using the dark web and the potential consequences of engaging in illegal activities. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the dark web. Thank you for watching.